Do I regret buying my greedy machine? Yes and no. In this video, I will tell you some things that I will do differently before I make that purchase again. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, a couple of days ago, I ended up purchasing this greedy machine, number 3906. I ended up spending a decent amount of money on this miner. I will link the full video in the description box below if you want to check that video out. But here's the miner. As you can see, it has 148.36 terahashes, and the efficiency right now is 28.36. When I ended up purchasing this miner, the efficiency was 35, which is not good at all. As you can see, I have already lowered the efficiency to 28.36. I still have a long way to go before I am satisfied with the efficiency. So when I was looking to purchase a greedy machine, I literally sorted by the lowest price, thinking that is how I was going to get the best possible deal. And after doing that, I started looking at the ones that were available. I only had 6,300 GoMining tokens. And seeing that one had 148 terahashes, I was thinking, might as well buy it, get the most terahash for my money. I didn't pay too much attention to the efficiency simply because I thought I could easily bring it down to 20 and everything was going to be all right. That is where I miscalculated. Efficiency is very important, especially when it comes to these greedy machines. The lower the efficiency, the better. So now when I go to the marketplace and I look at these miners, none of them in my opinion are a good deal, simply because they are way overpriced. For example, this one right here, $222 per terahash. And then right underneath it is one that was similar to mine, 148 terahashes with 30 efficiency. Mine had 35 efficiency. I was literally blinded by the amount of terahashes I was getting. Here's one that is pretty much identical to mine when it comes to the power, efficiency, and how much I spent. So if I could go back in time, I would definitely try to get a miner that has better efficiency. 35 is not good at all. And they literally have this big warning in the front that says to increase the power of this miner, you'll need to upgrade its energy to 20 efficiency first. So I saw this when I was buying the miner, but I thought that I could easily get it down to 20. Boy, was I wrong. It definitely takes a lot of money to get this down to 20 or to 15, which is even better. So for example, if you plan on spending 6,332 GoMining tokens on this greedy machine, it will take you pretty much the same amount of tokens to get this to 20 efficiency. So you're pretty much paying double the price in order to get the benefits of the greedy machine. The reason they put this warning on here is to let you know that you are not going to be receiving the free terahashes every single week unless you are 20 efficiency or less. So if you're thinking I'm gonna buy this machine with 148 terahashes and every single week I'm gonna get more power, more free crypto, and I'm gonna just let it ride and let it grow forever. In reality, if you get a greedy machine with 35 efficiency, you're gonna be spending the next couple of months upgrading the efficiency just so you can take advantage of the free power. So that is my first regret, overlooking the importance of efficiency. My second regret is not keeping some GoMining tokens in my account. I had 6,300 GoMining tokens and I literally spent all of them on this machine, not thinking about the fees, the electricity costs that I had to pay later on. For example, this greedy machine alone is costing me over 14 GoMining tokens every single day. Being charged the 14 to 15 GoMining tokens every single day for maintenance, it will add up quickly. I should have definitely kept at least 300-400 GoMining tokens in my account to cover the maintenance of this miner. So do not stretch yourself too thin. Always keep some GoMining tokens for maintenance. And finally, regret number 3 was rushing into it. I was literally on the marketplace every single day, refreshing, waiting for a good deal to pop up. And then once I had the GoMining tokens in my account, once I stacked enough in order to be able to purchase a greedy machine, I literally felt that rush, felt that urge, just to get one. So for over a month, I accumulated Go Mining tokens, did the bounties, stacked and stacked, and I did not spend any Go Mining tokens to upgrade my other miners, to upgrade the other efficiencies or anything. I literally stacked in order to purchase a greedy machine. I thought to myself, the sooner I buy this greedy machine, the sooner I will get those weekly payouts, more power, more Bitcoin daily. That was all I was thinking about. But in reality, I should have waited, been more patient for a better deal to come onto the marketplace. I see people all the time getting amazing deals. Patience is key if you want to buy a greedy machine, and especially if you want to get a great deal. Now I'm feeling the same exact pressure to get the efficiency down to 20 so I can actually take advantage of the benefits that these greedy machines provide. And here are some things that I would do differently. This video is brought to you by I Trust Capital. Are you tired of tax headaches every time you buy and sell crypto? Imagine stacking up for your retirement on your terms. With I Trust Capital, you can buy and sell crypto, even gold and silver, inside a tax advantage IRA 24/7. Roll over an old 401k or open a traditional or a Roth in minutes. Keep everything in one dashboard and use the institutional grade custody with straightforward fees. So if you plan on investing in crypto for the long term and you want to take advantage of all the tax benefits, you got to get yourself a I Trust Capital account. If you use the link in the description box below and you fund your account, you are going to get a $100 bonus. What are you waiting for? Check out I Trust Capital. First off, when purchasing a greedy machine, look for efficiency that is between 15 and 20. This way you automatically start receiving the free power every single week. You automatically start receiving the benefits that these machines provide. Instead of wasting another month, 2 months, maybe even 3 months like I'm about to do just to lower the efficiency of the greedy machine that I purchased. Another thing, make sure to have some Go Mining tokens in your account. At least 2 weeks to 30 days in order to cover the maintenance for your miner. That way you can come up with a strategy without having to worry about running out of Go Mining tokens. And remember, do not rush just to purchase a greedy machine. Make sure to look at the marketplace every single day, multiple times a day, in order to find that great deal. But that does not mean keep thousands of Go Mining tokens in your account and then wait around until you get a free greedy machine. It will not happen. Have your tokens ready, and once you find that great deal, you will be ready to execute on the spot. The majority of the greedy machines that are actually good deals, they do not stay on the marketplace for long. 1 day, 2 days max, and they're gone. So be ready when that good deal appears. But one thing that I do not regret is the extra power that I got. I literally more than doubled my terahashes. I had 105, and after that purchase, it went up to 253. And so did my daily Bitcoin payouts. As you can see right here, I was earning 4,491 satoshis daily, which is around like $5-6, and then it jumped to over 10,868 satoshis, which is around $11-12 a day. Once I get the efficiency down to 20, I'll be making even more, and most importantly, I will get those weekly payouts in power, so this number will continuously grow over time. So to answer the question, do I regret purchasing this greedy machine? Not really. Would I do things differently? Absolutely. Now that I have purchased one, my main focus will be to work on the efficiency to get it below 20 as fast as possible. And I will be making another video in the next couple of days showing you guys exactly how I plan on getting the efficiency down to 20. What I plan on doing in order to get more Go Mining tokens to get this miner producing, so I can get those weekly payouts. So that is all I have for this quick video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you plan on purchasing a greedy machine? And subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.